Service Desk allows you to import items from ZENworks that can be made available in the store or that can be used when opening requests or incidents. To import items from ZENworks, click New. And in the ZENworks import page, specify information such as an identifier that is used in the list views to let users know about the source of an item, database details, item ownership details, synchronization, and item categories. If you enable Auto-Create New Items, items are automatically created upon synchronization. If you disable Auto-Create New Items, a snapshot of imported asset information is listed in AMIE Snapshots under the Configuration tab in the User Portal. Test the ZENworks server connection and save the configuration settings. If you have previously connected to ZENworks, then data source details are imported from ZENworks. In this scenario, edit the details and select the item categories and save. Click Analyze to analyze information from the ZENworks data source. This might take quite some time depending on the size of data source and network connection. After completing the analysis process, the alert and tabs for selected item categories from hardware, software, bundle, and mobile device are displayed. Review the information and select each individual device's folders, groups, software types, and bundles that you want to import from ZENworks. Click Import to complete the importing process. To go back to the Getting Started page, click the Return to Getting Started link or the return icon.